Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Y'all, I had just got home. It's Friday night. I still got my uniform on and I am so excited about the nice pie. If you've been watching my previous videos, you know I got a peach home last Saturday. And the next few videos gonna be all about peaches. I've already gotten these peeled. And look how pretty those peaches are now. Nice and juicy. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna step off here. And all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just finish peeling them. What I do, I go around the piece like this. They're so juicy, y'all, and hard to handle. Open them up, try to get that pit out of there. And what I'm gonna do, get the end off of there. And I'm gonna just get that little piece and just slice them like that, y'all. That's what I'm gonna do. See that? I'll do one more and show y'all here. Just take it, go around the knife like this, just like you opening an avocado. Open it up. It's so juicy. Take the pit out of there. I'll just slice them up here. When they this juicy, they're hard to handle, but man, this has to be my favorite fruit pie, y'all. That's what I'm gonna do, y'all. Just slice them just like that. Got another little piece on there. Get rid of those pits, and we're good to go. So anyway, I'm gonna get these sliced up and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I am back. Look how pretty those peaches are, y'all. Beautiful. Give y'all a close up here. Look at that. Okay, now this recipe is so simple, y'all. All I'm gonna do is add my lemon juice to this, vanilla, cinnamon and nutmeg, melted butter into this. Then I like to add the flour to the sugar. Mix it together here. Trying to combine it here before I put it in the bowl. Boy, mix a little bit, mix a little bit better. And let me tell y'all a little story. I am highly allergic to peaches. Only if they're not peeled. If you hand me a peach and it's not peeled, I will not take it. Only way I can eat peaches, y'all, is either out of the can, frozen, or if they fresh, they have to be peeled. Other than that, my mouth will swell up and my throat will swell up. The peaches. Other than that, I can eat them. But that's the only way. I'm allergic to the skin of the peaches. Just a little FYI for y'all. Anyway, I put the flour and sugar and we're going to gently coat the peaches with the flour and sugar. Got the cinnamon in there, nutmeg. Look at that. This has to be my favorite fruit pie, y'all. Has to be my favorite fruit pie. Number one, just so easy to make. So easy to make. Okay. All right, y'all. What I did, I ate a peach and I can feel my throat. It's getting hoarse. It'll be okay. It'll be okay in a second. Okay. Now, set this to the side. Get my dough. Y'all know I use my Pillsbury wrap out dough. Yeah, all I'm gonna do, unwrap it. I'm gonna put a bottom crust and I'm gonna go across and make that like a little lattice crust. If you want to call it that, it ain't the perfect lattice cut, but the lattice cut there. Okay, take the first one, unroll the bottom crust. I'm so excited for this pie, y'all. This, like I say, this is my favorite fruit pie ever. Better than blackberry, better than apple, better than blueberry. Give me a peach pie. Okay, put the dough in there. And very simple. Go in here with the filling. And of course, y'all, the recipe is in the description of the video. So y'all don't have to worry. All right. Spread that around evenly. Okay, now we're going to go back with the top crust. See how easy this is? This has to be the easiest pie I made. That's why I haven't even changed out of my work clothes, y'all. Because I know how easy this pie is. Okay. this out here. Now all I'm gonna do, like I say, make my little strips to go across. Nothing fancy. Make sure they all go across. That's all you gotta do, y'all. So y'all can see what I'm doing. Y'all see what I'm doing? Let me move it over a little. Y'all can see what I mean when I say I'm allergic to peaches. My voice will go, and it'll come back. By the time I come back later, my voice will be back to normal. I just happened to eat one I couldn't resist, and I ate one with the peeling on it, and that's what it does to me. But I'll be fine. I love my peaches. That right there. Like I say, this don't have to be perfect, y'all. Just get the dough on there as best as possible. Okay. Now I'm going to pinch the ends here. Go around and make sure it's all pinched up there together. Alright. Now, I'm going to go back with my, I'm going to put my butter and sugar topping on there. I'm going to put the butter just like I do my cobblers. Same way. I had a pretty, like I say, y'all, this is nothing. You don't have to be perfect with this, and I'm going to be unmade. With all these peaches I got, I'm going to make at least 2 more of these. Because this is going to be gone tonight. I'll eat half of this myself, to be honest. I love me some peach pie, y'all. I love me some peach pie. Okay. Now, all I'm going to do now, make us some sugar on here. 350 degrees. 45 minutes. Now you have to watch it after 30 minutes. I like to watch mine after 30 minutes and see how it look. Sometimes it'll go 45 minutes. 350 degrees. So we'll be right back in about when it's ready. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this. Nice and golden brown. I have a fly in my kitchen, y'all. Every summer I have a fly in the kitchen in the summertime. Look at that. It took 45 minutes. This one took actually 45 minutes to cook. So what it is now, I'm going to let this sit. Usually about 4 hours. I'm going to let it sit so I can it's firm enough for me to cut it and take it out. And like I say, this is my favorite fruit pie, y'all. But this doesn't, peach pie, it's not even a close second. It's better than blackberry pie, blueberry pie, apple pie. And it doesn't get much better. So anyway, you see how easy it is. And like I say, peach pie made with fresh peaches, it's just not even no competition with frozen or canned peaches. It's just not. Now it's no words can say. So anyway, I cannot wait till this pie cool down. Cause I definitely can eat half of this pie, y'all. Definitely. I love peach pie that much. So anyway, I'm enjoying this whole week because all week it's going to be next 3-4 videos. Going to be peach preserves, peach jelly, peach pound cake, peach ice cream. So it's all about peaches, y'all. So anyway, we'll be right back in about 4 hours and we're going to cut it and we'll see how it tastes. I already know it's good, but I'm going to have to prove it to y'all. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, look at the pie here. See how it's set up? See that? Still slightly warm, but it's cold enough where I could cut it. Okay, let's check it out here. I know this is going to be good. Oh, yeah. Peach is nice and tender. Perfect. Y'all never see me eat 2 or 3 bites or something, but this stuff is so good. Look at this. Look at that. Old school peach pie, y'all. Perfect. Perfect pizza pie. Like I say, y'all, this is my favorite fruit pie I've ever made. But I can only eat peaches if they cook or if they peel. I cannot eat a peach with the skin on it. Another thing, bananas. I can't just peel a banana and eat it. It has to be in something like a pudding, a bread, cereal, or something. I cannot eat a banana, just peel it and eat it. So, a couple of things y'all didn't know about me, you know, in this video. But anyway, it's the first of many peach videos coming up in the next few days. So, y'all stay tuned and get ready. Get your pencils and papers and microphones out. So, anyway, let me close this video out like I close every video out. Y'all follow my other social media accounts. We all one old school soul food family. Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, Twitter, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021, help somebody old school soul food. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.